Have you ever needed to have a tool that would summarize an article so that you could maybe read it really quick or get just the gist of what the article is about before reading the whole thing? Well, the Summarize tool on the Mac will help us actually cut down the time that we spend reading articles and help us focus on what we want to be reading. So the first thing that you have to do in this tech tip is enable the summarization tool. And to do that, you have to go to System Preferences. You can either click it on your desktop or you can go to the Apple and System Preferences. Click. You will need to go to Keyboard and Shortcuts. From the Shortcuts menu, you will need to select Services, and you will have to scroll all the way down and make sure this box is checked. If it's not, click it and ensure that it is. Once that's done, you're really set to go. So let's say I had an article that I wanted to read. So let's say this one here. And it's a short article, but I'm going to highlight the information that I want to read. I would right click and go to Services. And then there's Summarization. And so I will click that and it'll summarize this article. Now this is at 100%. Notice the slider goes from 1 to 100. And I can change it, and notice it continues to go down. And again, this was a short article. I'm talking long articles here. And so you can see that it's taken it and made it smaller. Now, is it the perfect tool? No, but it will summarize kind of those paragraphs. You do have some options. You can go, again, you can change the size. You can also do sentences, or you can do a paragraph. It really doesn't matter in this where it's really small. But if it was large, like I said, it would matter. And then what you can do is you can copy this into whatever article or tool you're using. In this case, let's say I'm using a Word document. And then I can edit it, share it out, tweet it, whatever. But that's the summarization tool. It's very useful, very helpful, especially if you have large data that you have to read. It can be maybe used also to help students who maybe don't have the time to read an article just like you, or maybe you need to work with special needs students and you want to make the article maybe a little smaller, or you have students with different reading abilities. Very useful tool. It's embedded into the Mac OS X system. But if you have any questions, you can reach me at jeff.coots@jackson90.kyschools.us. Hopefully this will be very helpful to you. And as always, please share with other individuals and also post comments on the holler. Thank you.